How to change the app icon size for apps that appear on your home screen and in your app drawer, as well as change the grid view layout for apps. This is for the Poco F5 phone, Android 13, MIUI 14. Let's get started. To get into these settings, you'll long press a blank area on your home screen like this here until you see this happen, okay? Then you'll see the settings icon right here. Go ahead and tap on that one time. And to change the grid layout, you can toggle between these two right here. And if not, you can also access it by going into more. When you go to more, you're gonna see this here, other home screen settings. So go down now, you'll see icon size. That's one of the settings here where you can adjust the size of the icons as they appear. Notice how bring it to the right, they get bigger, and then bringing it to the left is gonna be a bit smaller, okay? And then of course you got the background color here. You can choose it as the default or other options. And going back here, the same set of options. You got the grid layout, and of course 5x6 means more space, 4x6 means less space. And that's all they really have. But that's that. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.